how to change the size of your Microsoft Excel to A4. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the size of your Microsoft Excel's sheet. So without any further ado, let us begin. So first of all, you'll need to open up your Microsoft Excel. After you've opened it up, you will see that this is your normal Microsoft Excel without any size settings. So to change the size, you will need to go to page layout. After you're on page layout, you'll see margins, orientation, and size. Go to size and you'll see this is the default Microsoft size. Now here, if you go down, you will see the A4 section, the option. Now you can change it to A5, A3, whichever you want. Just tap on one, and after you do so, you will see a fine lining appear here. Now this is a single sheet, this is another sheet, and this is another sheet. So this basically is a single A4. Now let me select the whole A4 for you. So this is one page. So yeah, that is basically how you change the size of your A4. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.